Hi, my name is Amaresan. I am the pastry chef here at NHCC. We have made up our new La Cafe, which is a European sidewalk concept, and we have a lot of pastries. We have a lot of breads. We have a lot of breakfast pastries, and we have a lot of sandwiches, cold sandwiches, as well as live sandwiches, which are available here. First, we generally have the live stuff in the breakfast, like omelette, pancakes, and other stuff. Then you have sandwiches in the lunch time and the dinner time. You have a lot of selection for to have here, and we have a lot of varieties of coffee also here, which is and we have innovated some new products like chili chocolate and e-spice and a lot of European specialty breads and pastries here. Means people just come to this place, they take their coffee and their snacks and they sit on the side and they will have read some books and have a meeting or have a chat. This is the kind of concept what they generally have in Europe. We also try to introduce the same thing in our place by expanding our seating capacity here towards with the outside view, and generally people do that one here when they come here with their laptops, and if they have some official work also they do it over there sitting with the coffee and their snacks. We have around 36 seating here at present, and also there are a lot of takeaways also, which people generally do, like special cakes or birthday cakes, or they have some breakfast items, or they're having a party or other things at their home. They pick up a lot of desserts and breads from here. We are having like for regular this thing we are having around 36 varieties of breads and 11 varieties of pastries with the 4 different varieties of chocolates. Plus we have quiche sandwiches, and sandwiches are around 8 varieties. Plus we have live sandwiches which is made on order. It's donuts. Donuts is a breakfast roll which is generally consumed in the Western countries. We have also expanded that one in our place, as generally in US and other places they have something like Dunkin' Donuts, which is only specialty for donuts. We have around 5 varieties of donuts, which is a upselling item for us, which is a main focus point for the guests who come here.